Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the kings of all planets. So we have 9 planets in astrology, and the first planet or the king of the entire planets is Sun. So since it is king, it represents the head of the family. Okay, it represents father. It also represents son, as in the son son beta. It also represents all the HODs, the prime ministers, the head of the departments, and all those things. Sun also represents bones, okay? Your bone. Sun is also very, very important for your soul. So the soul journey is determined by the sun. ओके तो हमें जो सन देखना पड़ेगा कि सूर्य का कंडीशन कैसा है, उस हिसाब से हम बता सकते हैं कि आपका जर्नी कैसे होने वाला है. ठीक है. Then sun also represents your stomach, your heart, your right eye, and overall immunity. So if there is a weak sun, that means your immunity is compromised for sure. Okay. Sun feels very happy in Leo sign. Okay, it's like it's the house of sun. Like sun को बहुत मजा आता है उधर. He is very happy, satisfied. इनफैक्ट और उसको ज्यादा कहीं मजा नहीं आता है. लाइक एरीज में भी ठीक ठाक लगता है, बट सन को लियो में तो बहुत ही मजा आता है. लाइक इट्स exalted, right? And sun doesn't feel happy in sign Libra. So to understand the goodness of sun or the weakness of sun, we need to analyze the entire part. But this is overall how sun is. Thank you.